Now today the next topic we are going to learn is to convert hexadecimal number system. Now hexadecimal number system, as you can see here, it contains 16 numbers. In this system, hex means 6 and decimal indicates 10. Total 16 symbols are there, that is 0 to 9 and A to F. Its radix is 16. Each number is expressed in the power of 16. The following symbols indicate their decimal values. As I have told you, 0 to 9 are the numbers. Hex is 6, okay, and decimal indicates 10. After 9 comes 10. So in hexadecimal, 10 is indicated as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, and so on till 15. So in this way, hexadecimal contains 16 values, so that's why its radix is 16. So if we want to convert a number from hexadecimal to decimal conversion, so for that there is a method. So first we need to remember is, there in hexadecimal number system there contains 16 numbers, which is 0 to 9, and after that A to F is, which these alphabets denotes these numbers. Now we'll see the method of converting hexadecimal number system to a decimal conversion. So how we'll convert a hexadecimal number to a decimal number? Okay, so we'll see the method over here. The example is 9AE. Here 16 is given, okay, and we want to convert into decimal number system. That's why your radix is given as 10, because in decimal number system the number of symbols are 10. Now we'll write the 9AE. So A is at 0 place, that's why 16 raised to the power 0 multiplied by 14. Now 14 means E कौन सा वैल्यू कंटेन करता है? 14 वैल्यू कंटेन करता है, राइट? So we are multiplying 14 into 16 to the power 0. Now next is A. A contains which value? 10. So 10 into 16 to the power 1. 0, 1, and the next is 2. 9 into 16 to the power 2. Why we are taking here as 16? Because this is a hexadecimal number system and we have to multiply these number by 16 raised to the power 0, 1, and 16 raised to the power 2. After multiplying all these numbers, we get the answers as 14, 6, 160 and 2304. And adding this, we get the result as 2478. So we get the final result as 2478, 10. 10 is what here? Radix. डेसिमल हमने हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. सो दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल मेथड यू कैन डू. इसके अलावा अल्टरनेट मेथड है टू, अब ये जो हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर है इसको अपने को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो फर्स्ट विल राइट 2C6E. आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस विल 2 into 16 to the power 3. Why 16 to the power 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. How many numbers it contains? 4 number it contains. So we'll go with 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 2 into 16 to the power 3 plus C into 16 to the power 2 plus 6 into 16 to the power 1 plus E into 16 to the power 0. In the same way, what we'll do? 2 into 16 to the power 3. 16 को 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई किया है. 16 into 16 into 16, इसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन का आंसर होगा 4096. आफ्टर दैट C into 16 to the power 2. 16 into 16 is 256. And C contains which value? 12, right? So 12 into 256. In the same way, 6 into 16 to the power 1, 16 को 1 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो आंसर हमारा 16 ही आएगा, प्लस e इंटू 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 0 is 1 एंड e का वैल्यू क्या है 14 है, so 14 into 1. After multiplying these values and after adding these values we get the decimal number system, that is this is the our final answer. So in this way we can convert a hexadecimal number system to a decimal number system. So it's a very easy method. I hope you have understand. If you have any queries you can answer, you can question me. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. In the same way जब हम hexa को decimal में convert करते हैं, in the same way decimal to hexadecimal conversion भी हम कर सकते हैं. For that method what we need to do, we need to multiply this 928 number to 16. जब हम 16 से इस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें आंसर क्या मिलेगा. सो डिवाइजर में हमें आंसर आएगा 58 और उसका जो रिमाइंडर होगा वो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. ठीक है, वॉट एवर द रिमाइंडर इज विल राइट ओवर हियर. देन अगेन विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस 58 by 16 एंड जो हमारा रिमाइंडर होगा वो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. सो हमारे रिमाइंडर में 10 मिलता है. अनलेस एंड अनटिल वी गेट द आंसर एज 1 और 0 वी नीड टू सॉल्व दीज. ओके, लास्ट हमें मिलता है 3. सो आफ्टर वी सॉल्व दिस वी गेट 3 a and 0. a पे 10 is what? 10 represent as a and 0 as 0. So in this way we have converted decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Now the next is hex to binary and binary to hex conversion. Whenever we convert such numbers to binary to hexadecimal or hexadecimal to binary, it makes the group of 4 bits and find their hex values. Refer following examples. So we have seen how to convert these numbers.